Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI version. This matters because features vary. Next, open Settings and check Clipboard or additional settings right away. If you intend to use ADB for deeper recovery, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then connect to your PC. Install a trusted Clipboard Manager or File Explorer app now so you can save recovered items. Once done, make sure USB debugging is enabled if using ADB and proceed to inspect the clipboard area. You now move to locating the clipboard history itself. First, check the built-in clipboard UI in the keyboard or additional settings. Many Redmi phones show recent copies there. If entries are missing, use a File Explorer or ADB to inspect app caches and settings databases where clipboard text may be stored. Note that accessing /data requires root or ADB backup permissions. When using ADB, run a DB shell and dump clipboard-related providers, or pull cached DB files to your PC to search for recent text. You finish by exporting and securing any recovered clipboard entries. Open the pulled database or cache files in a text editor, then copy found strings into Notes or a Clipboard Manager app so nothing gets overwritten. Make sure to back up those items to cloud storage or export a file. This prevents future loss. If you hit roadblocks, troubleshoot by confirming USB debugging and permissions, enabling root or using an alternate recovery app, or retrying the ADB dump. Often missing entries are due to permission limits, not permanent deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.